My name is Daniel Parker. I've been raising dogs for about 5 years now. I grew up in a household that we always had dogs around, always raising litters and selling them. You know, it was a secondary source of income for my family growing up, so it's always kind of been in my blood.
All right, can you give us a walkthrough of your daily schedule taking care of these dogs?
Okay, so basically every morning I'll come out here and we got these feeders attached to the fence. So you just lift up and we feed them twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. The waters are all attached to the fence where they can't knock them over. And so they won't knock the water over during the day and be thirsty all day while I'm at work. I can run through here and feed all 6 of the cages that I have set up right now in 5 or 10 minutes and be on my way to work. And then about once a week I'll get in the kennel and rake them down and clean them real good.
Okay, who's this dog?
This is Willow. We got Willow at an auction in Missouri, which some people think auctions are bad. You buy a dog like that and it's sort of like a puppy mill type operation. Anyway, she's about a little bit over a year. She would have her first litter of pups in about 5 weeks with a standard poodle. We gave about $250 for Willow, so she's a very inexpensive dog, but her quality she's really high quality. She'll have anywhere from 6 to 12, sometimes more puppies per litter, and we'll sell her puppies anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500, depending on their quality, the market at the time. And most of the dogs that we sell, we do online sales, and we'll sell them as pets all over the country, all over the world. So our dogs go to a very good home. That's one of the most rewarding things about it. You're not selling it to a puppy mill like where we might have gotten her from. So that's one of the things about it. The way we conduct our business, we're not going to sell a dog to just anybody. We have certain websites that we use. They go through kind of like a background check on who's buying the dog to make sure that these people are a family home. What are they using the dog for? Is it a pet? Are they going to breed it? What's going on with that? So it's a good feeling knowing that your dog's going to a good place. And a lot of times, when we do sell puppies, we'll have rapport with that customer for years to come. They'll send us pictures like, hey, look how our dog's doing. We love her, whatever. So it's a rewarding business to get into.
How often can she have litters of puppies?
They can have 2 litters a year. A lot of times we like to do 1 a year just to give them a break and not wear them out, because it's just like a human. You can only have so much. You can only have so many litters. We're going to have about 1 litter a year out of each dog. And right now we've got 4 females, including Remington, which we just acquired her. She's 12 weeks old today, actually. These 3 dogs over here are Chesapeake Bay Retrievers. I've had Hattie since she was about 12 weeks old. She's 5 now. Maverick, he is 2 years old. I got him in Florida, and he's our stud. And then I got Care Grace. She's one of Hattie's puppies. She is 3 years old.
All right, what steps do you do to keep these dogs healthy?
So the biggest thing with any dog, doesn't matter if you're using them for breeding or pet or whatever the case may be, is you got to do. It's kind of like maintenance on a vehicle. Your car's not going to run if you don't change the oil. If it doesn't have oil in it, so to speak. We have to do a once a month wormer. We do a pill that takes care of pretty much every type of worm. We do booster shots on the puppies. The adult dogs get a rabies shot at a year old. We take them to the vet on a regular basis, do checkups and stuff like that, just to make sure that there's no issues. Right now we're in the process of building an indoor facility here on the property. We're going to build it with just a washed river rock floor, which is real good for the dog's feet. It doesn't tear their feet up or cut them or anything like that. We're going to do that because this house that we live in now is kind of a temporary place for us. We're looking to buy some land and build. When that takes place, we're going to do an all concrete floor with painted cinder blocks and painted concrete floor. It's like easy to wash down, keep sanitary, and it's all going to be indoor with heat and air, the whole 9 yards. The reason we want to go indoor with them, it's just like anything else. You keep a dog out in the elements their whole life, and they just don't live as long. Their quality of life is not as good just because they're having to deal with the elements. Having an indoor facility that's concrete that you can wash off with a water hose every day keeps disease out. You're not going to have issues with cleanliness. And also, once you get over 6 female dogs, you have to get USDA licensed. And there's a pile of rules and regulations that go along with that to be able to actually pass what they say you have to be USDA certified. If you're interested in any puppies that we'll have in the future, you can find us on Facebook at Down South Doodles. You can go like our page, and we'll have updates of any dogs that are upcoming, about to have some puppies, whatever the case may be. And when they do arrive, we'll definitely have pictures on there as soon as their eyes open.